Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart for a third time with Schafer Elementary, home of the Sharks in Lombard, Illinois. And this was virtually for a second. I've been in person once. We've spoken on bullying, looking at someone's heart first, treating them like you treat your best friend. We've talked about diversity, our differences, the need for human kindness. Today we took all of those up a level and talked about positivity and being your best self, right? Like the song that I played in the beginning, Be Your Best Self, the hook, the chorus, the part that you repeat was all about our absolute best and never nothing less is what we have to give with each and every breath that we take each and every day to make our school and this world a better place in each and every way. And that starts with each of us choosing to have a positive attitude, right? With our friends, with our brothers and sisters, with our parents, with our relatives, with our teachers, with the people in our lives, our coaches, but also trying to give our best effort, be our best self, do our best in every area of life too, whether that's at school, on recess, in the lunchroom, on the playground, on the bus, in our communities, in our homes, on our clubs, on our teams. We're always striving to do our best, to be our best, and to lift others up at the same time. So this means that some of us, understand a certain problem right away. We know how to do that drill right away. We're very good at this. We're very good at that. But the sign of a true leader is now go help someone else out who's not as good as you, right? Lift them up to your level, if not higher. And it's so easy for us to stay positive when the sun is shining and things are going great in our lives and we have no problems in our current situation. But we know that there will be storms, that there will be rain, there will be snow. And in those moments, we know that those moments can make us stronger, right? And so from that angle, if we can understand that we can become even stronger because of those tough times, then we know we can get through anything. That's why I wear this shirt for this assembly. Keep your head up, with the words upside down on purpose. So if you look down or feel down, it's a reminder to always think positive no matter what. And so through a series of examples today, whether it dealt with shaving cream, or the colored paper, or just ways that we can kind of talk more positively to ourselves, we start to understand that, being kind to our mind and to our heart is equally as important as being kind to others. That the person we're going to speak to the most in our life is ourselves. And if we can make sure that that is going to be something positive, that we keep telling ourselves that we can do something, that we are great enough, we are smart enough, that we are beautiful, we are worthy of love, that we are a great friend, then we become those things. And we also understand that the opposite of success is not failure, but it's quitting, it's giving up. That even if we make a mistake, we're not a mistake. Even if we fail, we're not a failure. And all our teachers want is for us to do our best, right? Do the best we can. Excellence, like we talked about, is not being the best. It's just doing your best, right? True excellence is not about just being the best. It's about doing your best. And that best, that effort, right, is contagious. Part of being our best is not just working hard ourselves, but also encouraging others. So we also brought up that point too, that we have to have that heart and that passion and that energy, not only in the work that we put forward, but in how we encourage others. Because when it comes time for them to want to support us, they are going to want to do that more so from the fact that we were encouraging them, right? That's what a great teammate does, a great classmate, a great peer, a great mentor, a great friend. So just a beautiful morning getting to talk to grades K through 5 about this very, very important topic, and also remembering that we can do anything based on our worth, based on our value, that we're all true, beautiful miracles. Like the M on all of our hands, we have at least one in each hand. I always trace one of mine with washable marker, and that M stands for miracle, right? With the lines of our hands, sometimes a faint line connects it, but we're all beautiful miracles, beautiful people, upside down W, worthy for love, to give it and receive it, that we all deserve that love. And to know that we can be that light to someone else's heart in this world that's hurting, this world that needs more kindness, more positivity, then that can start with each of us. And that's what we really tried to instill throughout today's assemblies. And I believe the kids got that, right? That every hand went up when we asked the question, if something I shared today touched your heart. And it did. And you guys all touched my heart, but you guys were given that gift, and now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you treat yourself, talk to yourself, and how you treat others too. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again, hopefully in person next time. Until then, though, and as always, make sure you hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Check out the playlist for some other motivational videos. And you can also visit my website through the peace sign symbol on the screen to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.